Welcome. If you've ever found yourself scrolling endlessly through a busy Telegram channel, trying to find that one important link, this guide is for you. Today, you'll learn the simple, updated steps to view all shared links in any specific Telegram channel. Let's get started and make your Telegram experience smoother and more organized. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, navigate to the channel where you want to find the shared links. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list or using the search bar at the top to quickly locate the channel. Once you're inside the channel chat, look at the top of your screen. Here, you'll see the channel's picture or name. Tap on it. This action opens the channel's profile, where you'll find all sorts of useful information and options related to that channel. Now, take a look at the horizontal list of tabs that appears. You'll see options like Media, Files, and more. What you're looking for is the tab labeled Links. Go ahead and tap on Links. Instantly, you'll see a neatly organized list of every link that's ever been shared in that channel. Each link is displayed along with the message it was shared in, making it easy to revisit important content without scrolling through endless messages. This feature is incredibly helpful for staying on top of resources, articles, or any important information shared in the channel. Whether you're catching up on missed content or just want to keep your favorite links handy, this method saves you time and keeps you organized. And that's all it takes. With just a few taps, you can access all shared links in any Telegram channel. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more efficient Telegram experience.